Wait. Here we have our gymnast, Miss Natalie. She wants to spin.
Ta-da! What do you want to do? Do you want to go backwards?
Hi. You can go again? Daddy just got home and is playing.
Do you want to go backwards? Oh, here you go. Ta-da! Ta-da!
I'd give that one a 10. Hey, Charlie. Hi. Are you hopping on Pop? You hopping on Pop? Our gymnast. Oops, she's losing her pants.
Uh-oh. Whoop.
More. 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 Charlie wants in on the action.
You can go backwards? Can I go back?
Watch, Charlie's in the way. This is a before dinner activity.
Yeah. Wee. Hello, Charlie.
Uh-oh, Charlie wants some attention, Daddy.
Okay. Come on, Charlie. You ready to do your upside down? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Whee! Ta-da!
Is that fun, Charlie?
Is that fun?
More? More?
Fun, Pop? Okay. Oh. Your turn. Ta-da! Oh, body slam. Ta-da! Ta-da! Is that fun? Backflip. Hey, Charlie.
Can you wave bye-bye, Natalie? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you clap? Bye-bye. She wants to go back again. Charlie. Hi, you three.
Sorry.
Uh-oh, time to stop.